Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making a Western Japanese classic. We are making Spaghetti Neopolitan, aka Japanese ketchup spaghetti. Neapolitan spaghetti is so good, so easy to make, and only takes a few ingredients that are in your pantry, in your fridge, and it's easy to whip up. It is part of a yoshoku cuisine, which is usually a westernized Japanese take on things. So stuff like this recipe made with pasta and cured meats, as well as same with like hamburger steak and other westernized items. It's very, very popular in Japan. It's super tasty, and I cannot wait to get started. So let's go ahead and get started. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!